Okay, so can you hear me? Okay, all right. Thank you for joining in. I'll be sharing my. We can get started. Uh, okay, I'll bring this shared screen in. Hello, can you tell me where you are on your mobile application? Let me know how to assist you. Can you tell me where you are in your mobile application? Have you been able to select your place? Select your preferred size so that we can get started. So, if you've done that, if you've selected your preferred size, we are going to select a background for our video right away. Selected your preferred our video immediately. Video, I'm going to enlarge the screen so that can you hear me? Wow. Hello, can you hear me? Can you hear me? Hello, can you hear me? Okay, so this is where we are at the moment. This is where we are at the moment. How we got here is this. First of all, when you open your Canva application, if you open your Canva application, you select the size of the video you want to use. Okay, if you click plus, you can actually search video and you select video. If you select video, it will drop in. Then you can actually hit on the video section and select color. We are using black for this training. If you want to add any item, if you want to add an item, wow, people can hear me, why some can't hear me? Okay, so can you increase the volume of your mobile phone a little bit? Okay, so we've been able to add a product to video. Then if you want to add animation to this particular product, you can select the product, swipe down a little, you would see animate. If you click animate, you can actually add different animation. If you select zoom in, that is how you zoom in. Breathe, that's pan, that's how it will pan. So let's select rise. This is how it will be. So let's what we've done so far. If you click play button, if you click on the play button, you realize how it will be, right? You see how it will be. Okay, just select it, drag up a little bit. If you click play, you would be able to do. Okay, so if we want to add a text to this particular video, if we want to add a text to this particular video, if you want to add a text to this particular video, all you have to do is click on plus. If you click on plus, you click on text. If you click on text, then you can actually select your preferred text. So let's select this. Okay, let's select this particular text. Drag and adjust. The same thing goes either way. It's just drag and adjust. You can take it away. And make changes to the text. You can call it. Okay, so Mrs. Zebi, she's lost. Let's try to uh, start again from in. I guess that would help. So what we are trying to do is to create with Canva. I'll click on home right now. On home right now, we're trying to create a video with Canva. Now, the first step, if you want to create Canva, is to know the type of video you would want to create. If I want to create a video for promotional video, if I want to create a video of myself, right, I must have a recorded video of myself. So the first step is to click on the plus button at the bottom section of your mobile phone. So I'll click on this create. They are the plus button or the create. Okay. When you click on that, kind of search for video and hit enter. Select video and click enter, and you will get this exact size of video. Okay. When you select video and hit enter, you get this exact size of video. Now you would select the amount that you would want to use. You can decide to use a transparent a plain background, white background, different thing you want to use. So for this purpose, we are going to use okay, let's say if you want to create a promotional video, a product video, you can type product section. Let's try to use a template. If you click on products, I will select this particular one. I would select it. You realize that we have sorry for the blinking, this is actually network. So you realize that you would have uh, a specific kind of images, that template. So let's select the image and delete them. Set and delete. Select, and when you select and delete, right, select and delete. If you want to go back, kindly hit the back button, and what you deleted already will come back. Okay. Now image or some, you can actually click on the plus button and select gallery. Select the particular product image you want to use and click. And okay, like this. Now, if you want to realize that in our previous class, I told you people about uh, this 4 dot is actually present in all elements. You can actually use it to reset and adjust things. So we'll be and adjusting this image. If you want to add an animation to this particular image, kindly swipe at the bottom section of your application and click animate. If you click animate, different options will come out. You would see fed, you would see other options. So you can actually use I will use Tumble for this purpose. We have white. I will use Tumble. So this is how it will be. Tumble. And the product kind of, if the product reflection that we use. Okay. If you're not really following up, I will do two separate video. I will do two separate video to cover up everything I've would do in this particular live session. I'll do a two separate video. Okay. So we've selected. If you want to make changes on the text, double click on it and type anything you to type. So I would select the text and type handbag. If I want to and swipe to animate. Okay. If you swipe to animate, or let's click on effects, the text if you'd want to. But what we are looking for is animate. If you're not seeing animate, look at this symbol like before transparency. Click on that symbol, is something as animate. So what we'll be using is typewriter effect. If you did not see track, you can select any particular animation. Okay, so let's try. Okay, let's try to use. Let's try to use. Um, Spread. Let's try to use. Okay, so that's how it will be. Let's test run it. If you click on play, it will be like this. It will be like this. Let's try. If you click play, it will be like this. Okay. I think um okay, so that is it for now. If you want to add another item, you would see a plus icon after this particular section here. If you click on the plus, it will open up another page. In this particular page, you can actually add another video by clicking on it. The same thing, you can select the preferred background you want. If you click plus here, it will show you different palettes of background that you can actually select. Have you seen? You can select different package of background that you would want to use for your video. If you select that, you can add something else. I think okay, so if you select this particular background, if you click on plus, it will ask you to add additional image. If you have it already, you can select the particular image. But in this particular tutorial, I will use an image from Canva. So I'll click on the photos area and search for laptop and click enter. Canva will provide different laptops for us. Let's swipe and see what we can use. I will select this particular one. This one is free. Have you seen it? I've selected it. Then I can resize it to how I want. Put it on the area I want it. On this particular change the amount. If I do not, I can actually click on this color, or I can select image as a background. Remember, in the group, I used image as the background of that particular. You can select it, drag it, resize it, and take it back. Remember, that's what I used. How do you take it? When you change the position, you can actually go back to video, select the text, and use the same text that you used in the previous video. I've copied it. You can right click on it or press and hold it. It will give you option for copy. You come to the press it. Paste means to add something that you've copied.